Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Oppo's Find X and Vivo's Nex are two of the most recent smartphones to come with pop-up camera modules. While Vivo's Nex comes with a pop-up selfie camera module, the entire top portion of Oppo's Find X slides out to reveal the camera. So, how does it work? The entire mechanism, according to Oppo, is motorized and it pops up in half a second. Think of it like Nokia's 8110 matrix slider phone, except in Find X's case, the mechanism is motorized and it pops out automatically either while using the cameras or while unlocking the phone itself. That being said, it remains to be seen how the motorized mechanism will hold up after an extended period of usage. Oppo says it has been tested for up to 3 lock slides and there shouldn't be any durability worries for at least 5 years.